Hi, Mom. I'm opening your present. OMG! OMG! Okay, I like them. I think you got them for me in high school. I like them then too, though. Should I save the paper, Meg? Maggie, Mommy got presents, baby! Oh, I like these. I like these. You picked them?
Mm-hmm.
One more. Do I have to return these now? This doesn't seem fair. This doesn't seem right if I have to return them. What? Oh, you want to get the background? Oh, I like these too. I have to try them all on first. Not right now. Thank you, Mom. I love you. I'll send them back with Lauren. Merry Christmas!
Ho, 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 ho. Santa.
Here, Tay. Mom, did you send Maddie anything? Like, you photograph Madeline? You have a present, baby. Okay. That was fun. I think I like these the best. Yahoo! Yahoo! Alright. It's a long video.